Well, hello. You want to figure out how to put social post on autopilot? Like I created a social post like machine, like a generator. It's so cool. Like I could do it for any business, but I was just rendering them all out because like I had one kind of like already built for another business, and I was like, well, let's make another one for this other business, and I was like, man, how come it worked and didn't work? And then after I started asking AI some questions, it came up and it was like, oh. It works better if you do X, Y, and Z. So, but anyway, between having a generator to give you images and stuff, or something to post, like you could schedule this out for every single day, and then on top of that, you know, it just keeps you top frame of mind. So anyway, let me check out what I was doing here. So basically, for the AI business, right? I was like, oh, create a custom GPT, and I was like, I could just do generate an image, and I was doing this in ChatGPT, right? And then I was like, well, Gemini, is pretty known for doing images. So once I started talking with Gemini, it did a different one. So I could go generate an image, right? So what's it going to do? It's going to go through and create an image using the image generator, and it's important to know how they create images, like how they compound them. And you know what the funniest thing is? I learned that like most people don't want to know like how the machine's built; they just want the machine. But anyway, again, you just take the image and create different ones and then schedule it to a post. So I show you as I'm working on this, right? So it's going to make the draft over here, and then this one already created it, right? And then I have it instructed to give me all the text that goes along with the post. So what I do is I've already worked out like a whole week, right? So I'm just I'm alternating the two different styles because I created one in Gemini, which does a certain type of style, and then I created one in ChatGPT, which is another type of style. And if you want one built for you, just hit me up on the website aibusinessinspection.com. But I'll show you again with the scheduler that I have, which again, AI Business Inspection offers the scheduler as well. So if you need a scheduler and you're sick of going to each individual social account, we offer that in AI Business Inspection. So again, there's so many different things. And as I was helping out a client yesterday, I was like, oh man, all the things that people may not understand that I understand so clearly is kind of been awakening, right? So for me, because to me it's my world. To other people, they're like, huh, so with that in mind, again, the social posts, I connected it to a Google Business account, which again, if you're not posting to your Google Business account, I mean, that's going to hurt you. Like you want more things to ping to your account so it shows Google that like you're alive, right? So when somebody types in your business, right, they know where to look or where to find you, or Google knows that you're active, right? So you'll ping higher. But anyway, I did a LinkedIn account. I did what is it? An Instagram, Facebook, and I did all those, right? So this image that I just generated, which was this one, right? Again, they have two different styles. This is like more of a complicated one. So aibusinessinspection.com did that one, and you just go over here, and then of course the system's linked to like a Google Drive, so that's how it stores all the stuff, right? Again, do you want to know how the machine's built, or just want a machine that works? I was going back and forth, so I'm going to go back to the different types of styles. You see how one's a graphic and one's just the words. So the ones that was doing just the words is this one, right? Stop, slow, follow up, and we'll just go ahead and download that one. Download. And then I also have it programmed to give me all the stuff that accompanying the the post, right? So I go back over here, upload. I have a folder for follow up or slow fail. So the new image that I just created, stop, slow, follow up, right? So it's going to take a second for that to upload. Go ahead, select it, insert. And then now we have the image, and then again, it's connected to all of my accounts, right, at the same time. So, and the engine or the GPT has all the words or whatever accompanying the post, hashtags and all that fun stuff, and then you could program it to how you ever want it. So right now it's giving me the title and description inside of the copy paste, which kind of slows me down, and I could go back and say take that out, but I'm okay with knowing exactly what I'm doing. And then of course I give it a quick skim, right, just to make sure it's all there. CTA, call to action, visit the website, Of course, it's hashtags. And then again, each one is doing different types of hashtags. So you're just hitting it from different angles. And so I'm going to just go ahead, schedule post. And, well, it's going to give you a time. So I think I've already done a few of these, but I'm going to go ahead and, I guess I was on the 18th. Anyway, I can go back and change it if I want, but I'll make it for the 19th, 3 p.m. And then it gives you the best times to post because it's already kind of like cross-mapping, like the best times that people are online to see your post, right? And then you can go back to the calendar and you can see I put it on the 19th. It's right there, which, I want it to alternate. So if you wanted to go back and switch that and put that on the 18th, which is what I had, you just go back to edit and then hit this schedule post back to the 18th, pick a time, 1 p.m., and then there you go. And again, that's one certain type of design. So I have one that's more words and one that's more images and different types of stuff. Now, if you're in the DJ industry, of course, you would just set it up to have like a background and then just say, give me the tip of the day or whatever it is, probably the tip of the day or the awareness point of the day. So anyway, you guys have been great. Go to aibusinessinspection.com if you want one built for you. All right. Peace.